Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to add verification to our Discord server. So to do this, first we need to go to our browser and go to the website called securitybot.gg. And once we're on the website, we need to click on the button that says Add Security Bot. And this will redirect us to Discord. So click on Continue to Discord. So once it has redirected us to Discord, the bot will ask server access. So choose the server you want verification on and click on Continue. Then a new window will appear asking us for permissions. Click on Authorize. And the bot has been successfully added to our server. Click on the button that says Go to the server. Now, once on the server, on General, we'll go to the bottom and type in /verification enable and hit enter. So once verification has been enabled, we'll type in the command verification setup channel. Here it is. Click on it and hit enter. So this has set up a new verification channel for us. So after we do this, what we need to do is go to our server settings. So to do that, we'll click on the name of our server here. Then we'll scroll down and click on server settings. Then on server settings on the left side, we'll click on the option that says roles. Once on roles, we'll create a role that is verified. So I'm going to create a role called members. And after creating the members role, you can add any permissions or any type of thing that you think your members will need. So after that, we'll click on Save Changes. Then after doing this, what we'll do is go back to our general channel. So close this and go back to general. And this time on the command, we will type in verification set verified here. It will give you an option. Click on role. And then click on the role that you want your members to have after being verified. So I'm going to click on members and then we hit enter. So when people come to our server, they'll be verified and they will be assigned the role members. Additionally, it's also important to set up the type of verification. So we'll type in the command verification type here. Click on that. So you have different options: web captcha, captcha code, one-click verification. Choose the one you want. I'm going to type in web captcha and then hit enter. So this is the type of verification method they'll use to be verified. So this is how you add verification to a Discord server. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.